Hello, I'm Isela and I'm going to be presenting on ways you can decrease deforestation yourself. You can start off by eating a more vegetarian diet because raising animals for meat requires using large stretches of land, whether it be land to graze or land used to raise crops to feed the livestock, specifically beef. And finding large stretches of empty land requires cutting down trees. It remains problematic and time consuming trying to source meat products that are entirely devoid of being harvested on land that once had trees. It's best to not buy meat products sourced from land where forests have been cleared. You can also stop printing and go paperless and avoid purchasing palm oil altogether because according to the Worldwide Wild Fund, an area equivalent to the size of 300 football fields of rainforest is cleared each hour to make way for palm oil production. You can also support eco-friendly companies such as Tom's, which uses sustainable products and uses recyclable and vegan materials. You can support Lush, which has eco-friendly products as well and practices and uses as less product packaging as possible and also uses recyclable paper. You can support Apple, which they have signed a $1 billion deal to the first solar farms in the U.S. And you can support the Worldwide Fund for Nature, which is a international non-governmental organization working in the field of wilderness preservation and the reduction of human impact on the environment. Thank you.